There are ways to shorten, lighten, or even stop your period, depending on your needs. Always consult your doctor first, but if you want to make period stop immediately, stay with us. Drink gelatin. Mix a packet of gelatin with water and drink it quickly. This can make period stop immediately for about 3 hours. Take ibuprofen. Take one dose 3 or 4 times a day, being careful not to exceed the maximum dosage for 24-hour period. For most people, this will help mitigate the pain of a period and can reduce flow. However, some people find that ibuprofen stops their period altogether. While ibuprofen has very few side effects, it is possible to overdose. Consult your doctor before taking large amounts of ibuprofen or using it for an extended period of time. Use herbal remedies. Angelica root, tea made from fresh or dried raspberry leaves, lady mantle, garden sage, and shepherd's purse are all thought to help stop or lighten menstruation. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Eating healthily is always better for you, but consuming more fruits and vegetables than normal can lighten your period and make it easier on you. Green beans in particular have been shown to help lighten or stop your period. Some people also find that sucking on a piece of lemon can stop their period temporarily. Use menstrual cups to hide your period. Menstrual cups fit just above the cervix and, like tampons, prevent any fluid from escaping. However, where a tampon absorbs blood, a menstrual cup simply catches it. You can leave one in place for up to 12 hours, effectively hiding, and for all intents and purposes stopping, your period for that time. Drink a lot of water. This will flush things through your body faster and can help lighten your flow. Drink vinegar. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into a cup of water. Drink this home remedy 3 times a day for best results.